Hello everyone and welcome to MSSQL DBA course. Today's topic is on backup. In this video we will not be talking about the types of backup in SQL Server because there are lots and lots of videos on YouTube about the types of backup in SQL Server. But what we will gonna learn is if any process is taking the backup of a particular database and at the same time a user is inserting a couple of records. Now those new inserted records will be the part of the backup file. Let's understand this scenario in a better way. Consider we have a database called as MSSQL DBACourse. Now we are taking the backup of this particular database. Now as the backup is going on, an internal process collects all the pages of MSSQL DBACourse database and start putting up in the backup file. So let's say an internal process has started collecting all the pages and putting up in the backup file in a compress. These pages will be compressed in the backup file. Now as this process is going on, a user started inserting couple of records in MSSQL DBACourse. So my question is, will this new inserted records will be the part of our backup file? Now let's see. So as you can see, MSSQL DBACourse is our database and we will be taking the backup of that particular database using this query: backup database name to disk file path with compression. It will be compressing all the pages in the backup file, and stats will give you the statistic about the completion of the database. Let's execute this and here the message will be coming up. I'll pause this video and I'll show you that once the message comes. So 10% has got completed. This information is showing because of this stats. And as this process is going on, what we will going to do, we will be inserting couple of records. We will be inserting couple of records in MSSQL DBACourse. So first, let's see what are the number of records. So I'll copy this and I'll put up over here so that we can come to know later. And this is the query which we'll be inserting. Remember, this backup is still going on, only 40% has got completed. Now I'll be executing this insert command. One row got affected, 50% has got complete. Let's insert one more record. Execute. One more record has got inserted, 60% has got complete. I'll wait for 90% and then we'll insert once again. So 90% has got complete and we have inserted one more records in this particular backup file. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll restore the backup file on MSSQL DBACourse and let's see the information what we have inserted are available in this backup file or not. So I'm restoring MSSQL DBACourse database. Here I have selected the file and this is the file location where I have just taken the backup, and I'll be restoring this particular database, and once this is done I'll resume the video. Just to show you, here if you see the status, 10% has just got completed and the database has been marked in restoring status. Once this is 100% complete, I'll resume the video. Now the restoration has been completed. Now let's see if the inserted records ID 12, 13 and 14 are available, was available in the backup file or not. If I execute this, it will take some time. I'll pause. So it took around 26 seconds, and if you'll see, the inserted records which were inserted after the backup process was started is not a part of a backup file. So with this we comes to know that if the backup process is started and if any of the transactions is going on, then those transactions will be excluded from the backup file. Hope you all liked the video and understood. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.